Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this banga paste. I will be showing you how to extract your palm fruit like a pro without a food processor, and this is exactly how it looks after processing. After boiling, you can now get your banga paste. You can use the banga paste to cook your soups, your stew, your pottage. It is a game changer. When you start to use banga for your soups, stew, you will not want to use any other thing. And for my husband, who does not like to eat soup thickeners like ofo and achi, I always use banga paste for soups that require thickening. In other words, this banga paste doubles up as palm oil and as a thickener. I will be uploading a video soon on how I made this uziza soup using my banga paste. Can you see? This is finger licking good, so yummy and delicious. Kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that when this recipe goes up, you'll be the first to know. First of all, wash your palm fruits thoroughly. Put them in a pot of water and cook for about 20 to 30 minutes depending on the quantity. Palm fruits contain vitamin A, which helps for a glowing and healthy skin. It also aids in the proper growth of your bones. It improves and aids in a healthy vision or healthy eyes. It reduces premenstrual symptoms like cramps in women because it contains magnesium. You see, banga paste is healthy and highly nutritious. After cooking for about 20 minutes, you would know that the palm fruits are cooked. When you press it and it's nice and soft, that's how you know it's ready to be processed. Proceed to add the palm fruits in a mortar and pound to separate the flesh from the kernel. When you are done pounding, transfer into a bowl, add some hot water and use a spatula to turn. Keep turning properly. I love to use hot water first because it extracts enough fluid from the chaff. Pour it into a sieve to sieve out the chaff from the fluid. Can you see what it looks like? Repeat the process again, this time with warm water. Go in with your hands this time to ensure that you extract the banga fluid properly. Now, because it's warm water, it will be easier for you to use your hands. Do not add too much water, especially because you're going to be boiling this fluid, and this will help you save your gas or whatever you're using to cook. On this channel, I share videos on food, cakes, business, and a little bit of lifestyle vlogs. Kindly subscribe, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. Also, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this technique, or let me know how you extract your palm fruit. You can repeat this process again until you have extracted all the banga fluid. Make sure you squeeze the chaff with your hands properly to extract all. You can store it in a freezer just the way it is and use it whenever you want to use it. Or you can boil it into a paste, just like I did here. I use it for your soups, stew, pottage. You can just incorporate it into your meal. I will be uploading a video soon on how I made this uza soup using my banga paste. Can you see? This is finger licking good, so yummy and delicious. Kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that when this recipe goes up, you'll be the first to know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.